Okay, I think we are live. So all those who have joined in, I welcome you all. Those who have joined in, all the beautiful souls joining in slowly and gradually. So 1 or 2 minutes, I'll wait and then we'll begin. Good evening, Anuprita ma'am. All right. So a very warm welcome to all those who have joined. A very good evening to all of you. I would request you all to please type down hi in the comment box so that I get to know who all are connected. And we have a big circle for having a discussion on the topic that we have for today, that is digital parenting. All right. Just a minute more and we'll begin. So meanwhile, do let me know how did you spend your lockdown period, which started from lockdown 1.0 and then we extended so on, and the government could announce unlock 1.0 from 1st of June. So how did you spend those days? Just a one liner if you could type down in the comment box. So we have quite a few people with us. How did you spend your lockdown period? Just a one liner. Quickly, let me know. How did you spend your lockdown period? Office work, office work. Absolutely. Work from home is quite a task. Um, the work increases, and of course, we have other household chores also going on, which we need to cater to. So, absolutely, it is a big task. Office work. Oh, Tavinder ma'am is saying, I welcome you, ma'am. Tavinder ma'am is saying she enjoyed a lot during her lockdown. So Anuprita ma'am says it was a learning, unlearning and relearning period for her. Absolutely. The day we stop learning comes a stagnation point in our life and thus puts a halt on our journey. So absolutely. That's very much essential when we talk about the learning, unlearning and relearning part. So, Madhvi ma'am, hello, good evening. I welcome you to this session. I spent good time balancing work and family at home. I must say that is a great thing. Balancing work from home and balancing all the household chores is a big task. So, kudos to you, ma'am. Thank you for joining in. So, uh, before taking this session forward, I would just give a short introduction of mine. I'm really delighted to have you all to this session, to see you all in this session, and let me move forward by giving a short introduction of mine. So my name is Ishpreet Kaur. I am a mother to a beautiful toddler and a wife to a loving husband. If I talk about my professional life, I am an academic consultant, a parent coach, and a speaker. So a lot of things were going on during this lockdown period. I have been busy with a lot of online sessions, skill sessions, and all those stuff. So, but I thoroughly enjoyed my lockdown period, and now that unlock 1.0 is on, uh, government has given relaxations, but we must ensure the safety and security of our family, of ourselves, is the topmost priority. So I would urge you through this platform to stay at home and go outside only and if it is very essential. So now moving on. So लॉकडाउन पीरियड अनाउंस हुआ था and there were a lot of confusions and question marks in everyone's mind. So I received a call from my one of my friend. when the lockdown was announced and it was effective from 25th of March 2020. और कॉल करते सार ही उन्होंने बोला कि यार ये क्या हो गया. And I was like, what has happened? I didn't know that. Why is she worried? Why is she tensed? So I asked her, "Kya hua? Just calm down and let me know what has happened." So she said, "Now lockdown has been announced. I'm stuck at home and I don't have anything to do. I just have all the household chores to do. बाहर नहीं जा सकते, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. अभी घर का काम भी करना है, ऑफिस का काम भी करना है. So I'm stuck and I'm into a mental pressure of managing things, and there is a big question and mark in my mind as to how will I manage all the things." So I told her that this lockdown period is a great opportunity for all of us to lock our relations. Hello, Uma ma'am. I welcome you to this session. Thank you for joining in. So I told her that this lockdown period is a beautiful opportunity for each one of us to lock our relations. She said, "What?" I said, "Absolutely. It is an opportunity for each one of us to lock our relations with love, lock our relations with optimism, lock our relations with compassion, lock them up with kindness." So, पहले हम कंप्लेन करते रहते थे that we do not have enough time to spend with the family. 9 to 5 job है, फिर आके घर के काम करो and all that stuff, and the wheel of life is going on and on and on. We don't get time for ourselves or our family. But now we have got a beautiful opportunity to embrace, to nurture, to nourish each of our relation that we are in. So I told her to lock the relations with love, optimism, compassion, and kindness. So I want each one of you who's attending this session, or maybe you would be starting a watch party if you feel that the session is worthy. So you would be starting a watch party. So whosoever is watching this, I want each one of you to lock your relations with all these four attributes. And trust me, it's going to be a beautiful journey ahead. So relationships that we have at our home, पेरेंट्स के साथ, बच्चों के साथ, इन लॉज के साथ, एंड friends के साथ, lots of relations we have. So it's very important for us to nurture each and every relation that we have, and this is a great opportunity for us. और आज एक इसी रिश्ते के बारे में हम बात करेंगे जिसको हम नरिश करने की कोशिश करेंगे, जिसको हम कोशिश करेंगे, मैं अपनी तरफ से कोशिश करूंगी जो टिप्स और टैक्टिक्स मैंने अपने इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में अप्लाई करे हैं और जो मैंने गॉज करा है कि जो सबसे ज्यादा काम करता है, आई शेयर अ फ्यू ऑफ देम विद यू. So if you are all ready to see, to dive in, to know more about this session that we have on digital parenting, we know that parenting, अगर मैं आप सबसे पूछूं parent का सबसे main role क्या है, primary duty क्या है, so all of you will say food, clothing, shelter. Right? To provide food, clothing, shelter, provide safety and security to the child, to ensure a happy and positive environment is there around the child. Absolutely, these all are the primary duties of a parent. Do all of us agree or not? Let me know through the chat box. If you agree, say agree. If you don't agree, say I disagree. Quickly. Do you all agree with me that the primary duty of a parent is to provide food, clothing, shelter, safety and security of the child, and to provide a healthy, happy, and positive environment to the child? Do you all agree or not? Type down in the comment box. Agree or disagree, whatever you feel like. I'll slide through so that I get to know your latest comments. Chalo, I'll wait. I think. Do you agree with what I said? I think most of you would agree with that. These five basic necessities are the duties that have to be fulfilled by a parent, right? हमारे जब agree and few other things as well. Of course, additions है, but these are the five basic things जिसके बिना काम नहीं चलेगा, right? So I am talking about the basic necessities, right? So इसके अलावा और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो पेरेंट फुलफिल करता है, बट द बेसिक वंस आर दीज, राइट? सो बट अगर हम आज के एरा की बात करें, प्री कोविड और पोस्ट कोविड, अब जो एरा चल रहा है, कोविड पोस्ट कोविड एरा चल रहा है, now we are into an era wherein we are deeply and highly affected by this pandemic which is COVID-19. तो अब के डेट में जहाँ पर ये 5 ड्यूटीज तो थी, पेरेंट्स की बेसिक ड्यूटीज तो थी, नाउ वन मोर एडिशनल ड्यूटी हैज बीन एडेड एंड दैट इज ensuring the virtual safety and security of the child. So ensuring the virtual safety and security of the child is most essential thing in these days wherein all of the family members are busy on the gadgets. पापा अपना घर से वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं, मम्मा वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रही हैं, बेटा या बेटी वट एवर इट इज वो अपना स्क्रीन्स पे लगे हैं. सो आई जस्ट गॉट टू नो दैट कई घर ऐसे भी हैं जहाँ पे स्क्रीन्स भी कम पड़ रही हैं, wherein there are 2 or 3 kids, so screens कम पड़ रही हैं. So that's a big challenge for the parents to ensure the safety and security, the virtual safety and security of their ward. So that's very important that we take into consideration this aspect of parenting as well, and that is why we decided along with Learning Equinox to talk about this topic, to talk about this particular thing wherein we need to sensitize parents as to how they can manage their household along with the parenting part, and they can digitally parent the child. So to move in, I would ask all of you that what was the routine of the child. अगर हमें इस एरा को समझना है, अगर हमें इस पर्टिकुलर पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन को समझना है कि इस समय हमें क्या करना है, सो हमें थोड़ा सा उससे बैक पीछे जाना पड़ेगा कि हम जब पहले प्री कोविड में क्या करते थे. अगर हमने उस चीज को समझ लिया, सो इट इज वेरी इजी फॉर अस टू मैनेज आवर किड्स एट होम, right? So we are not only going to manage the kids, we are going to effectively engage the kids in our house. I welcome Baljeet. Thank you so much for joining in. So we were talking about managing and effectively engaging the kids at home. मैंने जिनसे भी बात करी है, ऑल ऑफ देम, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर इमोशनली ड्रेन्ड. कहीं ना कुछ चल रहा है. एवरी वन इज गोइंग थ्रू अ डिफिकल्ट टाइम. सम ऑफ अस आर गोइंग थ्रू अ फाइनेंशियल डिफिकल्टी, सम ऑफ अस आर गोइंग थ्रू इमोशनल डिफिकल्टी, सम ऑफ अस आर गोइंग थ्रू फिजिकल डिफिकल्टी. सो इस डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में सबके साथ कुछ ना कुछ है, बट मैनेजिंग द किड्स इज वॉट वी कैन डू इफेक्टिवली एट होम, एंड it's not a big task. For that we need to understand what they used to do when they used to go to school. जब बच्चे स्कूल जाते थे, so we need to understand what kind of routine they had. They used to involve themselves in academics. Yes, they used to have a lot of co-curricular activities. Co-curricular अगर मैं बोलूँ तो they used to have a lot, they used to engage in a lot of informative activities. For example, कई बच्चे डिबेट में पार्टिसिपेट करते थे, कई रेसिटेशन में, लैंग्वेज डेवलपमेंट होता था, और बहुत सारी को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज होती थी. कई स्कूल्स में क्लब्स भी बने हुए थे. दिस इज अ साइंस क्लब, दिस इज अ रोबोटिक्स क्लब, दिस इज लैंग्वेज क्लब. सो 2 चीजें हमने देखी. बच्चा एकेडमिक्स में एंगेज था, दूसरा बच्चा इंफॉर्मेशन, एक्स्ट्रा एडिशनल को करिकुलर इंफॉर्मेशन लेने में एंगेज था स्कूल जब जा रहा था. तीसरा, उनकी फिजिकल टास्क बहुत थी जब वो स्कूल जाता था. The child, now every other school has these physical activities, whether it is Zumba or they are engaging their kids in yoga, dance classes, all these things are going on. So three things we have discussed. बच्चा academics कर रहा था, बच्चा इंफॉर्मेटिव को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज कर रहा था स्कूल में, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज कर रहा था, and all these things that we put in together will help us to design a routine that we need to follow and that we have come up with, that can help you in managing your kids and engaging them effectively in homes. So are you ready to know the routine or the schedule that we have prepared? If yes, type down yes. Y for yes, either you can type down Y or you can completely type down yes. Quickly, I'm waiting for your answers. I know Facebook takes a bit of time to deliver the messages from the viewers to the host, but still I'll wait for 1 minute and then we'll dive in. Are you ready to know what effective tool or technique I have come up with to manage the kids effectively and engage them effectively at home? If yes, type down yes. Quickly. Wow, Baljit says why? Yes. Great. So, I think more people, yes. So, we quickly are going to discuss ki Tavinder ma'am also says why for yes. So, we are going to proceed further. Mr. Singh also says why for yes. So, let's proceed further. Oh, Aman, I welcome you to this session. Thank you so much for joining in. थोड़ा late हो गए, but still कोई नहीं, चलता है. Right. So we were discussing about how we can manage our kids effectively at home, और उसके लिए हमें बच्चे का जो दिन है वो 4 parts में divide करना है. Trust me, kids are also missing their routine that they used to follow when they used to go to school. तो पहले क्या होता था, जब when we were kids, we needed entertainment when we were bored. And now, when kids are bored of entertainment, they go to sleep. Then they go to sleep. And entertainment in this period, I'm talking about the gadgets. So उसके बारे में भी हम discuss करेंगे. One by one, we are going to dive in deeper and get to know what aspects I'm talking about. So जो मैं बात कर रही हूँ, बच्चे के दिन को हम 4 parts में divide करेंगे. और ये एंगेजमेंट्स जो होंगी वो उसके बच्चे के पुराने रूटीन जो स्कूल में फॉलो हो रहा था, somewhat we have taken clues from that, so that the child feels effectively engaged throughout the day. So पहले academic engagement. Good evening ma'am, Devinder Kaur ma'am, thank you for joining in. So we were talking about the first engagement. पहले तो बच्चा उठेगा and then whatever. And one thing I would must like to emphasize here, स्कूल में discipline follow होता था and children used to follow that, right? And they were happy with that. But let this routine be a flexible one. Do not force your child to wake up at a stipulated time कि अगर मैंने 7 बजे बोल दिया तो तुमने 7 बजे ही उठना है. Give a bit of relaxation to the child, so that will help you to get in harmony at home with the child. So we were talking about the first engagement that has to be done, that is the academic engagement. The way the child used to go to school, बच्चा स्कूल जाता था, एकेडमिक्स में एंगेज होता था, तो उसी तरह से हमने बच्चे को भी एकेडमिक एंगेजमेंट अभी घर पे देनी है. अभी तो समर वेकेशंस आर ऑन एंड सम ऑफ द किड्स माइट बी एनरोल्ड इन सम समर कैंप्स. तो उनका जो मॉर्निंग का रूटीन है, मे बी वो समर कैंप में एंगेज्ड हैं. सो इन दैट केस यू कैन कंसिडर दैट ऑल्सो एज एन एकेडमिक एंगेजमेंट. तो अगर सपोजिवली बच्चा सुबह उठता है ब्रेकफास्ट करके एंड गेट्स रेडी एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ, आफ्टर दैट immediately after that have an academic engagement for your child. बाय एकेडमिक एंगेजमेंट आई मीन अभी टीचर्स तो है नहीं, अगर बच्चा सेल्फ स्टडी करने के लायक है सो देन द चाइल्ड कैन डू अ सेल्फ स्टडी. If not, then we have a lot of apps which are there for children for self study. You can either go for Diksha, which is a free platform available, and then there's another one which is Khan Academy. आप बच्चों को उसमें engage कर सकते हैं. And if your kids are younger, they are toddlers, तो उसमें तो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल एक्टिविटीज आप अपनी एकेडमिक एंगेजमेंट में प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो. एंड दैट नीड नॉट बी द राइटिंग पार्ट ऑलवेज, because for toddlers we need to work upon their fine motor muscles the most, and that's what has been missing throughout these days of lockdown. तो उनके कुछ आप उनको कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटीज दे सकते हैं जिससे उनका फाइन मोटर मसल एनहांसमेंट हो, एंड that can also be counted as an academic engagement. So each day has to have two academic engagements of duration of say depending upon the age of your child. अगर बच्चा छोटा है, if the child is a toddler, then half an hour is enough per the duration per slot, maybe one in the morning and one in the evening. और अगर बच्चा है जैसे जैसे बड़ा हो रहा है, so then the timing can be increased, राइट. सो दो एकेडमिक एंगेजमेंट्स हमने करने हैं. दूसरा हमने डिस्कस करा था कि बच्चे जब स्कूल जा रहे थे को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में भी पार्ट ले रहे थे, उनकी लैंग्वेज एनहांसमेंट हो रही थी, उनको बहुत सारा एक्सपोजर मिल रहा था विद ऑल द इंफॉर्मेटिव थिंग्स. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया कई स्कूल्स में क्लब्स बने होते हैं, साइंस क्लब, मैथ्स क्लब, आर्ट क्लब and all that. So that informative part has to be inculcated in this routine as well. How you can I'll just name a few of the apps which you can use for your informative activities there. If see, I told you about the language enhancement. अब जो छोटे बच्चे हैं उनको language enhancement, these years are the most important years for language development, so that has to be there. The more you interact with your child, the better it will be for the child for enhancing the language. Now there are certain apps also available if you want to learn any new language. If supposedly you want to learn French, Spanish, Chinese, any language, हालांकि अगर हिंदी भी लर्न करनी है, संस्कृत भी लर्न करनी है, सो आई हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल ऐप फॉर दैट, दैट इज बाय द नेम ऑफ Duolingo, Duolingo, Duolingo. I'll write down the names of all the apps in the comment box towards the end of the session so that it can be a referral for you all. So Duolingo, अगर आपको ensure करना है कि आपके बच्चे language learn करें, new language learn करें, and it's always a good thing to learn a new language. So Duolingo is one app. Then if the child is interested in reading or स्टोरीज सुनना चाहता है, सो देर इज एन ऐप बाय द नेम ऑफ स्क्रिप्ट, booklover.com ऐप है. सो दोनों आप ऐप्स फ्री हैं. ये स्क्रिप्ट इज इवन ऑफरिंग 2 months फ्री सब्सक्रिप्शन, तो आप ये ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन एक्सप्लोर even though they have paid version also, but 2 months का अभी free subscription they are giving. So I'm not endorsing any of these apps, but they are free, so that is why I'm taking out the name of these apps, so that they can be beneficial for the child as well. So अगर बच्चा फिक्शन, नॉन फिक्शन, एज अप्रोप्रिएट स्टोरीज सुनना चाहता है, these are auditory books. सो ऑडियो बुक्स हैं सारी, आप ये ऐप अपने बच्चों को इंस्टॉल करके दे सकते हैं. देन देयर इज एन ऐप बाय द नेम ऑफ क्विक मैथ्स. अगर बच्चा इंटरेस्टेड है मैथमेटिक्स में, अगर आपको लगता है कि मैथमेटिक्स आपका बच्चा, मे बी द चाइल्ड नीड्स टू वर्क अपॉन द मैथमेटिक्स, और मे बी द इंटरेस्ट लेवल ऑफ द चाइल्ड इज मोर इन मैथमेटिक्स, सो यू कैन इंस्टॉल दिस ऐप बाय द नेम ऑफ क्विक मैथ्स. It's a wonderful app, I must say. It's a wonderful app with all the age appropriate concepts explained beautifully, and engaging activities are there. Now another app that you can use, which is not being used as of now, I mean most of the parents are not aware of that, this is YouTube Kids. we see generally that YouTube already installed होता है, तो the content that appears on YouTube, it is not at all age appropriate. अगर आपने सपोजिवली योर चाइल्ड इज यंग, आपने जॉनी जॉनी राइम सर्च करी है, तो आपको नहीं पता अगली राइम कौन सी आने वाली है या अगला नेक्स्ट वीडियो कौन सी आने वाली है। आपने मे बी सपोजिवली जॉनी जॉनी यस पापा ईटिंग शुगर नो पापा करा था, उसके बाद हनी सिंह का जॉनी जॉनी हाँ जी, दैट सॉन्ग कैन ऑल्सो अपीयर. So it works upon AI, and then we cannot trust YouTube when it comes to the children below age of 11 years. So it is imperative for all the parents who have kids below 11 years of age, do install YouTube Kids for your children and stop using YouTube. So very important. So age appropriate content देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. With we know that बहुत सारा there are a lot of unwanted videos also, unwanted ads flashing on YouTube. So you can opt for YouTube Kids if you have children below 11 years of age. Then we were talking about, ये तो आपके बच्चों की होगी इंफॉर्मेटिव एक्टिविटीज, एंड यू कैन ऐड अ लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेटिव एक्टिविटीज इन दिस. सपोजिवली आप बच्चों को कुकिंग में इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हैं. You can ask them to help you out in the household chores. That can also add on to the activities, and then they can also learn gardening from you. If supposedly you are a plant lover and you have your own garden in the balcony, you can teach your children about gardening. So these small little activities, if you engage your kids in these small little activities, and this will serve as a beautiful activity for them to be engaged and to be effectively involved with the family. And they will not, trust me, they will not have any tantrum issues, because see, अगर हम इतना stressed out हो रहे हैं, if we are stressed out because of the pandemic which is going on, so trust me, the children are even more stressed. They do understand what is going on, but they do not have control over their emotions. So हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है समझना कि जो बच्चों का ये एंगेजमेंट है वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हो और बहुत इफेक्टिव हो, और कुछ पीछे लॉजिक्स लगा के, रैशनल लगा के हम ये जो प्लानर है या फिर ये जो टाइम टेबल है और स्केड्यूलिंग है ये करें. एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू सिट विद आवर किड्स वाइल प्लानिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर स्केड्यूल. ये जो रूटीन है अपने बच्चों के साथ बैठ के उनकी सहमति से बनाएं. सी एनीथिंग विच इज इम्पोज्ड ऑन अस विल नेवर वर्क. if I talk about adults also, अगर हमारे ऊपर कोई चीज़ थोपी जाती है हम कभी उसको फॉलो नहीं करते हैं. So the same is the case with the kids. If you draft rules, if you draft schedules, if you draft routines, taking their consideration, taking their consent, they will definitely follow. And if supposedly they sometimes forget also, so that's not a big issue. You can always remind them, or you can either stick a timetable at the back of your door or anywhere, so that's going to work. So we have discussed two activities, two engagements that a child needs to have. First is the academic engagement and second is the informative engagement. So if you are ready to dive in deeper, we are going to talk about the other two engagements that a child needs to have during the course of the day. If you are ready to proceed further, type down R for ready. The only drawback of this particular technology, अगर हम बात करें ऑनलाइन सेशंस की, तो यही है कि पता ही नहीं चलता क्या एक्सप्रेशंस है ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द कैमरा, एंड we do not know what the other person is thinking. Probably जब physical sessions होते हैं तो we get to know through the expressions of the person. But now the only way for me to connect with you, for me to get to know whether the things which I'm trying to convey is being conveyed in the right manner, is only through the chat box. So Quickly, I would request you all to please type down R for ready. I am waiting quickly. All right. I've received quite a few. So हमने अभी 2 engagements की बात करी. अब दूसरी जो बाकी 2 engagements हमारी बची हैं, they are the third one is the physical engagement. Physical engagement, trust me, children are missing their physical activities a lot. ना वो पार्क जा सकते हैं, ना वो बच्चे नीचे वॉक करने जा सकते हैं, ना बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं कि अपना बैग उठा के स्कूल भी नहीं जा रहे हैं. सो देयर इज नो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. इन फैक्ट जब स्कूल जाते थे तो योगा, जुम्बा, एनीथिंग, ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज वर देयर. सो वी नीड टू इंश्योर कि बच्चे जो ये मिस कर रहे हैं, ये जो फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज, फिजिकल एंगेजमेंट्स मिस कर रहे हैं, उसकी भी भरपाई हम करें, उसका भी एक स्लॉट हम रखें. राइट. सो थैंक यू ऑल फॉर टाइपिंग डाउन रेडी. सो जो फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हम जो उसमें गैप आ गए हैं उसको फुलफिल करें. एंड द बेस्ट वे टू डू दैट इज, see, if your kids are engaged in any activity, आप उसको physical activity उसके अंदर ही inculcate कर सकते हैं. If supposedly the child is an adult, I mean the child is a younger, maybe he or she is more than 11 years of age. So आप उस केस में जो उनका स्टडी पीरियड है, मे बी 1.5-2 घंटे का पीरियड है, उसके अंदर ही, उसके बीच में ही एक फिजिकल एंगेजमेंट डाल सकते हो. So that physical engagement can be any activity. It can be Zumba, it can be dance, it can be yoga, it can be the younger kids can do any action song. वो अपनी physical activity action song के through कर सकते हैं. So all these activities are giving the child physical activity. They are satisfying their need for having a physical activity in their life. So वो भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, फिजिकल एनहांसमेंट भी बहुत ज़रूरी है बच्चों के मसल्स की. सो दैट केस आई वुड सजेस्ट यू ऑल टू हैव 3 slots, maybe 2 or 3 slots of 15 to 20 minutes throughout the day. So it can be either morning, afternoon, evening, 15 to 20 minutes, or if you feel you can have morning and evening 15 to 20 minutes of physical engagement. So that has to be there. आप कुछ भी, and make it a flexible thing. Again, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर रोज़ डांस ही होना है, ज़रूरी नहीं है हर रोज़ जुम्बा ही होना है. यू कैन चेंज द थिंग्स. यू कैन one day opt for dance, one day zumba, one day yoga, any mix and match combination you can do. So that was the third slot that we are going to have in the routine of the child, जो कि है physical engagement. जो चौथा engagement हमारे पास आता है वो है entertainment. When the children were going to school, पहले स्कूल जाते थे, एकेडमिक करते थे, को करिकुलर करते थे, देन फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कुछ करते थे. दे यूज टू कम बैक एंड दे यूज टू go to their tuitions. Maybe if the child is going to tuitions, अगर नहीं जा रहा तो बच्चा घर पे सेल्फ स्टडी करता था. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट थोड़ा सा प्ले टाइम होता था बच्चे का, पार्क जाता था या दोस्तों के साथ घूमता था, खेलता था. एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर वाज अ टाइम फॉर एंटरटेनिंग स्टफ ऑल्सो. बच्चा टेलीविजन भी देखता है, the pre-COVID era. So now that has to be there, that has to be increased in fact. So the fourth slot that we are going to talk about is entertainment, entertaining engagements. So entertaining engagements की जब हम बात करते हैं तो अभी फिलहाल हमारे दिमाग में सिर्फ स्क्रीन्स आती हैं, right? Because there is a famous saying, love me or hate me, you cannot ignore me. This digital era, this digital generation is born and brought up with screens. तो हम उसको या तो लाइक कर सकते हैं या हेट कर सकते हैं, बट वी कैन नॉट इग्नोर इट। एंड इट इज़ इम्पेरेटिव फॉर अस एज पेरेंट्स टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये जो अभी दौर चल रहा है उसमें तो बच्चों का स्क्रीन टाइम और इंक्रीज हो गया है। So in that case, we can effectively manage the screen time. When I say effectively manage the screen time, तो हम बात कर रहे हैं कि जो बच्चा engagement स्क्रीन टाइम में अपना टाइम वेस्ट करता है, कोई वीडियो देख ली, कोई DIY देख लिया, so this can be utilized in a better manner, in as in we can ask the child to engage in games. We can download a few games from the internet and then they can engage themselves in the games. I'll name a few games. Unblock, फ्री फ्लो, सुडोकू, ये सारी गेम्स हैं जो आप इंटरनेट से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, आईफोन और एंड्रॉयड दोनों यूजर्स के लिए हैं। आई एम रिपीटिंग द नेम: अनब्लॉक, फ्री फ्लो, सुडोकू, जून जर्नी एंड ब्रेन वर्सिटी। ये ऐसी गेम्स हैं जिसमें आपको कुछ ऐसी गेम्स होती हैं, बहुत सारी, इनफैक्ट बहुत सारी ऐसी गेम्स होती हैं जिसमें बच्चा गेम नहीं प्ले करता, गेम बच्चे को प्ले करती है। सो वी हैव टू एंश्योर दैट द चाइल्ड प्लेज द गेम डजंट प्ले द चाइल्ड, राइट? सो दीज गेम्स आर सच विच आर एंगेजिंग बट दे आर नॉट हुकिंग, राइट? सो हुकिंग नहीं है। अगर आप बात करें 3D गेम्स की, these are all 2D games. So कुछ ऐसी गेम्स भी होती हैं जो 3D गेम्स होती हैं, 3D व्यू गेम्स होती हैं। So I must warn all the parents out here that they are very harmful for the children below 11 years of age. So if your child is engaged in any 3D view game, please divert the child to 2D view games, which I have already named quite a few. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अनब्लॉक, फ्री फ्लो, सुडोकू, जून जर्नी, ब्रेन वर्सिटी, ये सारी गेम्स आप बच्चों को बता सकते हैं। और वो अगर सपोजिवली 3D गेम्स में अभी इन्वॉल्व है तो उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल होगा 3D से 2D में आना। ये सारी 2D गेम्स हैं। इफ आई टेल यू नाउ, व्हेन आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव ऑल सीन अ कलर्ड टेलीविजन ओनली, राइट? बहुत सारे हम में से ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने कलर टेलीविजन ही देखे हैं। अगर मैं बोलूं आपको कि आप कलर टेलीविजन से ब्लैक एंड वाइट टेलीविजन अपने घर ले आइए, विल यू ऑल अग्री टू इट? आई थिंक नन ऑफ अस वुड अग्री। जो एक आधे अग्री भी करेंगे तो उनका मन नहीं करेगा देखने का उसको, क्योंकि और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें हैं। कलर टेलीविजन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। So the same is the case with the children also, if they are already engaged in 3D view games, जैसे कि बहुत सारी गेम्स है, पबजी, एंड आई have a list of all these games which should not be used by the child, 3D view games। उसको धीरे धीरे आप 2D व्यू गेम्स में लाइए। 2D व्यू गेम्स में क्या फ़ायदा है, ये माइक्रो व्यू इन्वॉल्व करती हैं। नाउ एनीथिंग विच इन्वॉल्व्स माइक्रो व्यू will enhance the intellect of your child, will enhance the concentration of your child, will enhance the cognitive abilities of your child. Now, if I have any game which is टू फास्ट, टू अग्रेसिव, बहुत मुझे अग्रेसिव होके खेलना पड़ता है और उसकी स्पीड को मैच करना पड़ता है, ऑल द रेसिंग गेम्स, तो of course it's going to do some it is going to make me more impulsive. That's the case with adults and with children as well. तो ग्रेजुअली अगर आप बच्चों को 3D में से 2D में लेके आएंगे, so it will be better for the child and below 11 years of age, absolutely। and इसको लाने का ऐसा नहीं है कि आप उससे आपने लिया और दे दिया, थमा दिया 2D, that is not going to work। there is a strategy for this as well। involve your child in this। आप उसको बोलो, चलो आओ आज हम ये वाली अनब्लॉक गेम इंस्टॉल करते हैं, देखते हैं कैसे खेलनी है। involve your child into it and gradually wean him off the 3D view games। so that's how you can go about when we talk about the entertaining engagements। and very important, television, बच्चे का सिर्फ मोबाइल पे ही या फिर टैबलेट पे या फिर लैपटॉप पे नहीं स्क्रीन टाइम जा रहा, स्क्रीन टाइम टेलीविजन देखने में भी जा रहा है. So now when the child is engaged on television, there are three thumb rules which are to be followed. I'll talk about them, each one of them one by one. So let me see how many of us are still connected. जो थ्री थंब रूल्स है कुछ किसी भी स्क्रीन को देखने के लिए, it is applicable for mobiles, laptop screens, any type of screens. So there are three thumb rules which we need to follow. If you are ready to know those three thumb rules, quickly type down y for yes. And if you find this session interesting and informative, please do start a watch party, or maybe you can share it across with your friends. Because see, information, if you pass it on, it is very beneficial for others as well. And especially in this time when parents are struggling to engage their children in effective and engaging activities. So Aman Kapoor has typed down why. I want others also, I would request others also to quickly type down their answers. If you are ready to move in to know the three thumb rules that are applicable for all the screens, type down. Wonderful, wonderful. All right. So the three thumb rules are, okay, Aman Kapoor is saying, I'm loving it. I'm definitely going to share this with my group of parents. Oh, thank you so much. It would be a great help for me and for others as well. All right. Tavinder ma'am is also saying yes. Anuprita ma'am is saying yes. And all right. So I was talking about the three thumb rules. First thumb rule is the distance rule. If you are having any screen in front of you, 5 times of the size of the screen should be the ideal distance. Supposedly I have a television of 32 inches, तो उसके 5 times जितना भी बनेगा उतना मेरा स्क्रीन का डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए. आई थिंक इट कम्स अराउंड, अगर 32 इंचेस का स्क्रीन है तो 13 feet डिस्टेंस आता है स्क्रीन और आईज का. सो दैट रूल हैज़ टू बी फॉलोड 5 times of the screen size. I know sometimes it is not possible, but then sensitize your children कि जितना दूर हो सके उतना पॉसिबल, जितना पॉसिबल है कि दूर हो के देखें उतना बेटर है. The strain on the eyes, the fatigue of the eye muscles would be less. So this is the first thumb rule. Second thumb rule is the illumination rule. जो आपके रूम की लाइटिंग है, it should be 3 times as that of the screen. सो स्क्रीन पे अगर थोड़ा सा लो ब्राइटनेस है तो उसके 3 times आपके जो रूम का लाइटिंग होनी चाहिए. सो दैट्स द रूल फॉर इल्यूमिनेशन. द थर्ड रूल इज 20-20-20 रूल. Interesting? 20-20-20 rule. Is it interesting? Type down I for interesting. I'm sure all of you would want to know the 20-20-20 rule. 2020 खेलते हुए देखा तो है अपने क्रिकेटर्स को, बट व्हाट इज दिस 20-20-20 रूल? So this 20-20-20 rule is, if you are watching any screen, if you are in front of any screen, so उसके 20 मिनट के ड्यूरेशन पे, राइट, 20 मिनट के ड्यूरेशन पे 20 फीट दूर 20 सेकंड के लिए स्टेयर करना है. I repeat myself, 20-20-20 rule, which states after every 20 minutes I have to disconnect my engagement or disconnect my eye contact with the screen and look at a far away distance, look at a distance which is at least 20 feet away from me, and it is आई नीड टू स्टेयर एट दैट प्लेस फॉर 20 सेकेंड्स. सो उससे क्या होता है, आपका एक डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है जो स्क्रीन के साथ आपको कनेक्टेड है. आप जो आई मसल जो फटीग हो रहे हैं वो थोड़ा सा ब्रेक मिल जाता है, एंड देन it gives a relaxing effect to your eyes. So do not forget to let your children know, and all the near and dear ones know about this 20-20-20 rule. I'm sure they are going to like it. And जैसे ही आप अपने बच्चों को बोलेंगे 20-20-20, so they are quickly going to get, it's going to remind them that yes, they have to take a break after every 20 minutes and look at something which is far away. अगर 20 feet नहीं होता तो whatever farthest distance is available, you can look at that particular place and then stare at that place for 20 seconds. So that's the 20-20-20 rule. I hope this was helpful to you. The 20-20-20 rule, the illumination rule, and the this thing, the distance rule, right? So there are a few things when we talk about television watching also. I have seen that most of the toddlers are engaged in watching cartoons. अब उसको कार्टून्स देखने से मना तो नहीं कर सकते, रोक नहीं सकते, बट वी कैन वॉच, कीप अ वॉच ऑन द कंटेंट ऑफ द कार्टून. अब अगर बच्चा देखेगा छोटा भीम, बच्चा देखेगा शिनचैन, बच्चा देखेगा डोरेमोन, तो वो उससे क्या सीखेगा, दैट यू आर यू नो वेरी वेल, right? Usme jo the kind of language which is used, as I already told you that the initial few years are imperative for the child's language development. तो अगर बच्चा कुछ ऐसी बात सुन रहा है जो लैंग्वेज, ओगी एंड द कॉकरोचेस, आई एम अमेज्ड टू सी, आई एम जस्ट शॉक्ड टू सी द काइंड ऑफ लैंग्वेज दे यूज इन कार्टून्स. सो हमें एक चीज इंश्योर करनी है कि जो कार्टून्स का कंटेंट है, that can, if that can be age appropriate, that would be really great for the child's language development. And of course, if any moral value is imparted through that cartoon, nothing works better than that, right? So उसके लिए आप कुछ टीवी चैनल्स हैं जैसे कि बेबी टीवी, देन टेलीबीज, तो ऐसे करके कार्टून चैनल्स आते हैं जो बच्चे के लेवल के होंगे, टॉडलर के लेवल के होंगे. एंड आई वॉज amazed to see, I was really shocked to see this particular cartoon, Doraemon. उसमें वो पता नहीं कुछ, there is something of theft is also involved, कि वो बच्चा चोरी करता है, झूठ बोलता है. तो these things teach the child the same. तो बच्चा कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ पिकअप कर लेता है. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, अगर बच्चा कार्टून देख रहा है, टेलीविजन देख रहा है, एनीथिंग, right? So after the cartoon or the that particular video or episode is over, talk to your child, which character did you like. Talk post watching the cartoon, and interaction is very much important. क्योंकि क्या होता है, बच्चा अगर सपोजेबली कोई कार्टून देख रहा है और उससे आपको बच्चे के बारे में कुछ काफ़ी चीज़ें पता चलेंगी. एक तो वो कैसे कैरेक्टर्स लाइक कर रहा है, अगर सपोजेबली बच्चा वॉयलेंट कैरेक्टर्स लाइक कर रहा है, या फिर बच्चा कुछ पावरफुल कैरेक्टर्स लाइक कर रहा है क्योंकि उनके पास पावर है. So then if the child is going on a different path, तो आप अपने बच्चे को उस वक्त गाइड कर सकते हैं, right? If you, and that you will get to know only if you have an interaction with the child. वो अदरवाइज नहीं होगा, आपको नहीं पता चलेगा कि बच्चा क्या देख रहा है, उसके ब्रेन में कितना गया है, वो कौन से कैरेक्टर के टुवर्ड्स लाइकिंग डेवलप कर रहा है, और क्या आगे चीज़ें उसके कैरेक्टर बिलीफ बन रही है, क्या थॉट्स आ रहे हैं उसके माइंड में, एंड देन दोज थॉट्स आर अल्टीमेटली गोइंग टू डेवलप इनटू बिलीव्स. सो having an interaction with your children post to the videos whatever they watch is very crucial. So do not forget that, right? So अभी हमने बात करी 4 type of engagements की, dividing your day in these 4 engagements, and today I have taken permission from my daughter to use her Mickey Mouse and her friends. Absolutely, हमारे time में बहुत अच्छे cartoons आते थे, and which used to give us a lot of information, and of course they used to develop our language also. Now, if you talk about the channels, TV channels which I have told you, baby TV, telebees, इसमें जो language use होती है, it is too slow. अगर बच्चा टॉडलर है तो बच्चे के हिसाब से लैंग्वेज यूज हो रही है. आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट, सो उस तरीके से यूज हो रही है जिस तरीके से बच्चा अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड करे, राइट. सो now I was talking about the four engagements. So today I have used my daughter's, I've taken permission from my daughter to use her board, her slate, and the four engagements that I've talked about are: first, academic engagement; entertaining engagement; then informative engagement; and physical engagement. So do ensure कि आपका जो डे का प्लान है वो कुछ इस तरीके से डिज़ाइन हो, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट that it has to be decided by with mutual consent. आपके बच्चा आपके साथ बैठना चाहिए, and secondly it should be flexible, it should not be too rigid. स्कूल नहीं चल रहा, बच्चे का घर पे एनवायरनमेंट डिफरेंट होता है, स्कूल में डिसिप्लिन ऑटोमेटिकली वो फॉलो करता है. ऑफ कोर्स द चाइल्ड फॉलोज डिसिप्लिन एट होम ऑल्सो. इफ यू मेक सर्टेन रूल्स द चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू फॉलो, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू फॉलो along with the child, right? But let it be a bit flexible. And so this was all about whatever interaction I wanted to have with you regarding the digital era and digital parenting. Now, when we talk about all these things, तो हमें पता है कि बच्चा सिर्फ, अगर हमने बच्चे को कोई ऐप खोल के दी, सपोजिवली यूट्यूब ऐप खोल के दी या फिर कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट खोल के दिया, so the child is not going to stick on to that. अगर older kids हैं तो बच्चा उसी के ऊपर नहीं stick रहेगा. So the child can move on to other apps also. और maybe अगर teenagers हैं तो वो अपना, उनका Facebook account भी होता है, उनका अपना social media accounts भी होते हैं, Twitter handle होता है and all that. So in that case it is very important for us to sensitize the children, to sit with the child and explain them the safety and security that has to be maintained on these social media platforms also, राइट. क्योंकि हम अगर बच्चे के साथ बैठ के बात करेंगे कि बेटा यू आर नॉट सपोज टू शेयर योर पासवर्ड, यू आर नॉट सपोज टू बुली एनी वन ऑन एनी ऑफ दीज प्लेटफॉर्म्स, बिकॉज वी सी these online classes also which happened. तो कई बार बच्चों ने क्या करा, can you please show this summary board? I'll definitely show this again. कई बच्चों ने क्या करा, जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही थी उसी के स्क्रीनशॉट लेके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे शेयर कर दिए. एंड दिस हैज टू बी सेंसिटाइज्ड. चिल्ड्रन हैव टू बी सेंसिटाइज्ड towards all these things, that bullying, साइबर बुलिंग और मे बी एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ बुलिंग, वेदर इट इज फिजिकल बुलिंग पहले क्लासेस में होती थी और अब अगर सपोजिवली ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे आ गए हैं, तो हियर ऑल्सो वी हैव टू बी सेंसिटिव इनफ to guide our children and to let them know that these things can happen with them if they share their password with anyone, if they share their personal information with anyone, if they share any sort of bullying video or maybe any screenshot with anyone. So it's highly important for us to sensitize our children and let them know that these things are there. And of course if anything goes wrong, the parents are always there for help, right? So again I'm going to show this board which I took permission from my daughter before using it. So academic engagement, entertaining engagement, physical engagement, and informative engagement. Physical engagement twice or thrice a day, 15 to 20 minutes slot, and academic engagement depending upon your child's age, it can be maybe 1 hour, half an hour, 2 hours, 45 minutes. It can be, it can depend and change. And mind you, dear parents, बच्चे का जो टोटल स्क्रीन टाइम है for children from 2 to 5 years of age, it should not be more than 2 hours. Um, American Academy of Pediatricians has highly suggested that 2 घंटे से ज़्यादा बच्चे को स्क्रीन टाइम नहीं एक्सपोज करना है अगर सपोजिबली बच्चा 2 से 5 साल के बीच में है. सो आई नो इट्स डिफ़िकल्ट इन दीज टाइम्स क्योंकि बच्चा पूरा समय घर पे है, बट वट एवर वी कैन डू, वी कैन इफेक्टिवली मैनेज इट. थोड़ा स्लॉट उनको 20-20-20 का रूल दे के उनकी जो फटीग है, आई मसल्स की फटीग है या स्ट्रेन है, उसको थोड़ा कम कर सकते हैं. और मे बी अगर थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे हो भी रहा है, सो देन इन दैट केस ग्रेजुअली वी कैन रिड्यूस इट, राइट? So this is how I would suggest all the parents, all the digital parents, to have a check and maintain a routine throughout these days. जो summer vacations हैं अभी बच्चों की, उसमें भी एक routine रखें, and then I'm sure your kids are going to enjoy the physical activities that you are going to do with them. अगर आप उनके साथ zumba करेंगे, आप उनके साथ dance करेंगे, आप उनके साथ engaged रहेंगे, they are going to enjoy it and cherish this moment, and of course it is going to fill their cup of happiness, right? Connect भी बनाएगा और happiness भी endure करेगा, and then it is also going to nurture your relation with your children, right? So any doubts, any queries, I am open for queries for 5 minutes. You can please type down your queries in the chat box. Let me read out a few comments of yours. Okay. Any queries? Any questions for me? I would love to answer those questions. So how was this session? Those who are connected, please pour in your comments about the session. And if you have any queries, let them come over this side. I'll definitely try to answer them. I know the Facebook takes 1 to 2 minutes to transfer the comments from the person, from the user to the host. So I'll wait for another minute and then we are going to part. Pour in your comments, your questions, your suggestions too are welcome. All right, I think there are no queries, no doubts. If you feel that you have any doubts, any queries, any suggestions, any comments, you can type down in the chat box. I'll definitely answer them later on whenever I see them. All right, so thank you so much. I thoroughly enjoyed interacting with you all, and to let you know, so thank you so much for tuning in, for joining in. I hope these suggestions, or maybe these the planner that I have discussed with you, this works for you, and this will definitely work for you. And if you like this session, do share it with your friends, your community of parents, and you can also post this video on the groups that you are on. And thank you so much again, and I would like to thank to Learning Enox for organizing these sessions, and then giving the experts an opportunity to convey their messages to the people, to the parents, to other stakeholders. And stay home, people. Thank you all for joining in. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.